Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review, and welcome back to another installment of the American Cars Collections by DeAgostini Collectibles. Received 4 more cars. Car number 67, the 1971 Plymouth Satellite Sebring Plus Coupe. Car number 68, the year 2000 Ford Mustang Cobra R. Car number 69, the AMC AMX Hardtop Big Bad 1969, and lastly the 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ, which closes us out with car number 70. And let's start off with looking at one of the magazines. Let's look at the Plymouth Sebring magazine. And in these magazines, you received wonderful articles here, much better than receiving a subscription of your hot rod magazines or car magazines, because this gets right back into details from cars from back in the early 70s, the early 60s, late 60s, and even in the 50s. So you're going to have to get specialty magazines just for that, and it's well worth the subscription to get this magazine and read through them. Wonderful articles here. I read every one of them. So the technical sheet here on the Plymouth Satellite, full of lots of information. European Plymouths. Advertising barns. I've seen a few of these. Mostly the ones that I've seen are in Oklahoma and Missouri. But they say they're all over the place in the U.S. There you go, a little history on what's going on in 1971. So in order for you to look at the rest of the magazines, you'll have to subscribe to this wonderful Diecast collection, 1/43 scale. If you haven't done so already, head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and start your collection today. This is a very unique 1/43 Diecast car collection. Some of the cars you'll never get anywhere else. So let's start off with looking at car number 67. Here's the first car in Pack 18. This is car number 67, the Plymouth Satellite Sebring Plus Coupe from 1971. And as you can see here, we have Hawaii in the background. Looks wonderful there. And this is a wonderful plum purple car. It's really hard to see the purple on the video here. Perhaps I can do some adjustments with the colors so you can actually see the real purple. It's not a dark purple, it's a lighter shade of purple, but this has a whopping the 383 motor in it, whopping 300 horsepower from back in the day. And of course it does give us the white vinyl top up front, and your look with the Plymouth Satellite there, single rear view mirror, black wall tires, stock rims, dual exhaust, very nice white interior to go with the white top, very nice, very impressive. That plum crazy purple, and there's a view on top. Of course this is a metallic finish, very unique, very nice. Let's look at the next car. And the next car is car number 69, and this is the Ford Mustang SVT Cobra R from 2000. And this is the 4th generation Mustang that they came out with, and this car is fantastic. So the background there looks like to be somewhere in Tennessee, Route 66. And let's get a closer view. So this is a dark red with the exhaust system coming out the side. Got the rear spoiler, got the aerodynamic effects all around this car. This car had a whopping nearly 400 horsepower. And you can see there the exhaust coming out the side there on that side also. Some great rally wheels there. But all the ground effects and all that is put onto this car. black interior, black rear view mirror, and this is the body style I really like on these Mustangs. Very nice. Let's go to the next car. And the next car is car number 69. This is the AMC AMX Hardtop Big Bad from 1969. And can't quite tell what the background is there. Maybe you all know. I'm thinking, my guess is Chicago. Let's take the cover off. And very deep orange with black striping on it. The chrome rims, BF Goodrich marked tires. This car just looks fast. Windshield wipers, rear view mirror, black interior, chrome trim around the windows. That unique look that AMC put on their cars, just fantastic. Get a view from above. Wow, very nice. And there you go. Let's look at the final car in this pack. And the final car that came with pack 18 is car number 70. This is the Pontiac Grand Prix SJ from 1969. And it looks like we have Tombstone, Arizona in the background there. And this is a metallic blue, kind of a lighter blue on the light side. We have white wall tires. Also have a metallic blue interior there. This is a big car. You don't see these on the road that often, so I would say they are very highly collectible. Of course, Pontiac doesn't exist anymore. It is GMC, but just doesn't exist. This car also has a dual exhaust in the back. And there's the top. I love the lines on this car. Fantastic. There you go. I'll be right back. And there you go. That was a review of pack 18 for the American Cars collection. And we had 4 fantastic cars here previewed. 2 Plymouths, an AMC, and a Ford. These are fantastic cars in 1/43rd scale, all die-cast and unique to this collection. You won't find these cars anywhere else. Head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and start your collection today. I put a link down below. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.
Yeah. Turn me up. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm on the way up. 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 Been a long, long time coming, but I'm on the way up. Been a long, long time coming, but I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up.